economics is one of your JAMB subjects, then I need you to suspend every distraction around you right now and pay attention, because I'm going to give you questions to look out for. We are going to start preparing you, getting yourself ready. These are possible questions, expo questions, repeated questions, most repeated questions in economics for JAMB, right? So just focus. Economics, of course, if it is one of the subjects you registered for as an art student or social science student, you cannot run away from it. So let's begin to prepare. Last year, more than 1 million persons failed JAMB. By that I mean they got below 200 in your JAMB, but it's not your portion. Here in our channel, Noble Tutorials, our goal is for you to score 300 and above. You will come back to me with a testimony that you score 300 and above. You'll come back with a testimony when you get admission, and I want you to claim it in the comment section, that you will not be among those that will fail, that you will be among those that will bring me tell me how you were able to get your admission and all the rest. So let's dive into the questions. Question 1. Remember, we're looking at most repeated questions. Developments outside a given firm which will reduce the firm's costs are called, costs. There's cost of production and all the rest. Development outside a given firm which will reduce the firm's costs are called dash. A, internal economics. B, external economics. C, external diseconomics. D, optimum effects. The answer is B, external economics. Okay, then we'll look at question 2. If X represents the factors of production and Y represents the price factor. If X represents the factors of production and Y represents the price factor, which of the following set of association is correct? If X represents the factors of production and Y represents the price factor, which of the following set of association is correct? A, the first bracket, land and rent. B, capital and wage. C, labor and profit. B, land and interest. Land and interest, capital, profit, labor, wage. Then C, we have land and wage, capital and interest, labor and rent. Then we have D, land and rent, capital and interest, labor and wage. The correct answer is what? The correct answer is D, land, rent, capital, interest, labor, wage. Are you with me? We'll jump question 3 to question 4. A situation in which all inputs are doubled and output also doubles is known as dash. A situation in which all inputs are doubled and output also doubles is known as dash. A, constant proportion. B, constant returns. C, increasing returns on scale. D, constant return on scale. The answer is D, because it's constant. If you add more input, you get commensurate output. So it's constant returns on scale. Recall that what I am giving you is expected questions from JAMB in economics. Also, if you watch this particular video to the end, you will get free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions, right? If you watch this video from beginning to the end, you get JAMB syllables. So number 5. The question of number 5 is, economic goods are termed scarce goods when they are. Economic goods are termed scarce goods when they are dash. A, not available in sufficient quantities to satisfy all wants for them. Economic goods are termed scarce goods when they are dash. Not available in sufficient quantity to satisfy all wants for them. B, not produce in sufficient quantity to satisfy the effective demand for them. C, of high quality. D, of primary importance in satisfying the needs of the society. The answer is simple. The answer is A. Economic goods are termed scarce when they are not available in sufficient quantity to satisfy all wants for them. Right? Just be noting this thing. Remember, this video you are watching, you are not watching one Nollywood movie. You are watching something that will impact your future. Right? This JAMB exam is so crucial because it will determine whether you get admission or not, the institution you get admission. You know, it has a bearing on your destiny. So lock yourself up. If you have not started studying, if you have not started reading hard, lock yourself up and read. Study like never before. Study. If you are reading for 30 minutes daily now, make it 2 hours. If you are reading for 2 hours, double it. Lock yourself and read. Read. Even if you are working, you are going to school, you are seeing SS3, no matter your class, the bottom line is ensure you carve out time to study. Which of the following situations will give rise to economic problems? Which of the following situations will give rise to economic problems? A, unlimited human wants. B, wants of varying importance. C, limited means of satisfying wants. D, means used in different ways. Which of the following situations will give rise to economic problems? A, unlimited human wants. B, wants of varying importance. C, limited means of satisfying wants. D, means used in different ways. The answer is C. Limited. Human wants are many, but there are limited ways of satisfying it, and that's what causes problem. Okay, that's C is the answer. Right? Question number 7. I give you question number 7 right now. Remember to not just watch this video like Nollywood. At the end of this video, I will give you free JAMB past question on economics, free JAMB syllabus on economics. These are the tools you need to score 300 and above. I want you to claim it 300 and above in this coming JAMB. Right? I don't want you to joke around. When I give you those materials, sit yourself down and study. If you watch this video from now to the end of this video, I'm going to give it to you. Number 7. An accurate census is important to a country because it helps dash. You know what is census now? What is census? I'm giving you number 1 assignment. Come under the comment of this video and define census for me. Come under the comment and give me the definition of census, okay? An accurate census is important to a country because it helps dash A, in solving unimportant problems. B, to ensure equitable population distribution relative to natural resources. C, is deciding on creation of more local government. D, in providing sound basis for formulating development policy. The answer actually is D. A good census helps to provide sound basis for formulating development policy, both how much will be allocated to each region because of each state, because of the population in that area, and you can't really know the population without that census. Remember to answer the assignment I gave you. Question 8. Circular flow of income defines the dash. Circular flow of income defines the dash. A, relationship between end and means in the economic system. B, allocation of income to various members of the household. C, flow of goods, services and money amongst the various macro sections of the economy. D, microeconomic relationship in economic analysis. The answer is what? C. Circular flow of income defines the flow of goods, services and money amongst the various macro sections of the economy. Right? Question number 9. Question number 9. In the long run, are you with me? Question number 9. In the long run, all production factors are dash. In the long run, All production factors are dash. A, fixed. B, semi-fixed. C, variable. D, semi-variable. The answer is A. All production costs are fixed in the long run. Okay. Question number 10. The advantages which firms obtain directly from expanding their operations are referred to as dash. The advantages which firms obtain directly by expanding, that is doing more, maybe opening more branches, having more production line. The advantages which firm obtain directly from expanding their operations are referred to as dash. A, internal economics of scale. B, external economics of scale. C, economics of localization. D, economics of resource allocation. The answer is A, internal economics of scale. The advantages which firms obtain directly by expanding the operation is called internal economics of scale. Let's look at question number 11. Are you still here? The effect of changes in the condition of demand on a demand schedule with the price constant is a dash. The effect of changes in the condition of demand on a demand schedule with the price constant is a dash. A, movement along the demand curve. B, deflection of the demand curve. C, hyperbola formation of the demand curve. D, shift of the demand curve. The answer is D, shift of the demand curve. Remember, if the videos I've been making have been helpful to you, come under the comment of this video and tell me how they have been helping. It will help me to make more. If you want me to make more video on economics, let me know so that I will make more. I need to know that you are following. I need to know that you are reading. I need to know that you are seriously following the videos. It will motivate me to make more videos. But if you don't talk to me, it wouldn't motivate me. Okay. Question number 12. If a demand curve that intersects a price inelastic supply curve shifts rightward, dash will happen. Question number 12. If a demand curve that intersects a price inelastic supply curve shift rightward, what will happen? A, the equilibrium price and quantity increases. B, only the price increases. C, only the quantity will increase. D, the price will remain constant. The answer is B, only the price will increase. Remember, these questions I'm asking you, don't just watch them like Nollywood. Go over to your economics textbook and study them. Go over and read them much more in depth, right? Don't just watch this video I'm making once and assume you have understood, because JAMB might they repeat the question, but they are experts in twisting it a bit. So if you have not studied the topic itself, when they twist it, even though I've taught you here, you may not really understand. Are you with me? Okay, question number 13. The average product of labor in a given period is observed by dividing the dash. The average product of labor in a given period is obtained by dividing the dash. A, number of workers by the total product. B, total product by the number of hours actually worked. C, change in total product by change in the total number of workers. D, total product by the number of workers. I won't answer. I want you to tell me the answer in the comment section. The average product of labor in a given period is obtained by dividing the dash. A, number of workers by the total product. B, total product by the number of hours actually worked. C, change in total product by change in the total number of workers. D, total product by the number of workers. In our next video, we'll continue from question number 13 or 14, but I need you to tell me what you think is the answer to question number 13. That is the second assignment I'm giving you. For you to get the free materials, free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question on economics, use of English, and the other subject, what you just need to do is, number one, this is compulsory, join our YouTube channel. You can find the option on our channel, in this YouTube channel, just click on join, fill out the prompts and join our YouTube channel. Number 2, like this video, just smash the like button. Number 3, share this video, which is compulsory. Just click on share, copy the link, share it on YouTube, copy the link and share it on the Telegram and WhatsApp groups you belong to for JAMB candidates. Share it on WhatsApp, share it on Facebook, share it on X and all these platforms. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Remember to claim your grade. Remember to also answer the assignment I gave you. Then type I have subscribed when you subscribe. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you those materials. Remember to watch the other videos we have done on economics. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.